head out here and see what's going on in the shop today. What we got going on. So Chris is wiring up the 39 Chevy. Owner brought it in for fender repair only. Chris is laughing. So he brought it in for fender repair, which led into paint the whole car, which now leads into let's wire the whole car too. But remember, we're on a budget.
Always a budget.
Always a budget. But he's a good guy to work for. So you guys never did get to see underneath the hood here. That's a little crate 350 engine. He actually got it out of the States. The car was stock when he had it. It had, I guess, I don't know, a 6-cylinder in it or something. He put a Mustang 2 in it and did it all himself. And, you know, obviously all the disc brakes and the modern stuff. And went with the V8 engine. And I don't know what tranny's in it. Automatic. No, it's a standard in here, isn't it, Chris?
Yeah, it's a T5.
T5. Oh, yeah. Very cool. So it's a true hot rod.
Oh, yeah.
True hot rod. And then we got this 72 C10 here. Now, what the heck? What is this engine in here, Chris? I have no idea.
496 with some little blower on top. I'm not too sure about it.
Yeah, that's a little blower. That's a, isn't it? I mean,
yeah.
Come on. So it's a 496.
Yeah.
So what's this thing got for power?
Say at least 400, 450.
That's it?
Probably more, who knows.
That's it?
He bought it like that, so.
Oh. Well, if he's watching, he needs to change the engine.
Yeah. Needs the blower off the other truck.
Oh. He's got another truck with a blower?
No, he needs the blower off that one.
Oh, yeah, the one over there. Yeah, we'll get around there. Yeah. So anyway, he brought this into us. We're going to be repainting it, doing all the body work. It's it's got airbags under it, everything. It drops on the ground and
Back half.
what's that in the back?
Back half, the whole frame.
Back. Oh, yeah, he's done the whole frame. Yeah, look. I mean, not much room. Look at this. He's kept the metal floor in the box, but look at what he got there, like a foot. That's it. It's all gutted inside. Chris emptied it all out because, like I say, we're going to be taking this truck like completely right apart, and he wants this thing like gorgeous. So I don't know if we can get underneath here and take a look at the camera or not. You can't really see. It's too dark. We'll get up on the lift one day, and we'll show you guys properly. But that's what's going on there. Then we got the 58 Chevy pickup. It's going to be the pizza oven truck, we call it. I just, you remember I put a cab corner on there, and now I'm just doing this one here. Now remember, when you do cab corners, if you've got one of these trucks at home, you got to buy the inner cab corner. There's inner cab corners for these trucks too. They go, you can't really see it here, but if you see this piece is welded on, that's a wall down in there that sits in behind and joins to your cab corner you're doing. So you see I'm just spotting it in there. Made sure the body line all lined up, everything's lining up there. So that's what's going on there. We'll get that done, then I'll get into the step next. And there's the door right there. Mr. Bruce is working on the door. He's gonna fix up all these holes here. He's made a patch himself right there. He's done some welding himself. And then we're playing around with the 56 Chevy here. We're fitting the fenders now on here. And we gotta do a little fabrication down on the step because of where the box is sitting. The step's sitting a little bit higher. That body line there should join onto the body line of the cab. This is up a little bit higher, like 1 3/4. So we're going to do a little fabrication work there. This whole truck is all custom. Everything on this truck will be custom. It'll have tons of changes. But you can see it's coming along there. So we're gonna the tailgate's right over there. As you can see, we're gonna cut the tailgate. We're gonna fit the tailgate in here flush, and then we're gonna cut these back because the tailgate's gonna sit in this area flush. Then we're gonna make like a wing up here. And that'll help it to launch. There we go. So it's coming along. That's what's going on with that. What else can I show you? That's about it that's going on in the shop right now. And we got Herb's Pontiac up on the hoist. We got it running, flashed up, and then Chris had to take the computer out. And we had to take the computer down and had to, what did they do? They rebooted it or something because it hasn't got all the fancy shit that it would have had with the new car, right? So that's it. So it's looking good. Wires are all taped up here. So that is what is happening today. So it's quite a full house in here today. So average to do wiring, I guess it depends on what's all involved. Even Chris will tell you, but average car like this, nothing too fancy. You're going to spend 2 days for sure, if not 3, because you want to make it look neat and tidy, right? You agree? Some people.
2 days with minimal basically add hours per accessory, right?
Yeah, and some people, you see them, you know, you go look at a car and they say, oh, it's got all new wiring. You look underneath the dash, it's got new wiring, but they just fucking thrown it in like a thing of spaghetti. You know, like we actually take the time. You can see Chris lays it all out and tapes them up where they're supposed to go and looms them properly. So when you look under the dash, it's all nice and neat. You can trace everything down. We see so many cars where people come in, they go, I had a guy wire it, and I don't know what's going on. Something's not working right, and it's just a fucking nightmare under the dashboard. It's new wiring, but just a mess. So if you're gonna start from scratch, just take the extra time it takes and make it neat and tidy. You'll never do it again in your life. So that's it. That's all that is going on today. So there we go. So thanks for subscribing, guys. Remember, it is always a good time at Old Time, and we will see you next time.